Okay, say bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mama.
Or are you going to say bye, Daddy?
I want you to say bye to Daddy, because you know what? You're coming with me today.
No.
Yes, you are. Say bye, Daddy. We're going to get Willow.
We are?
Yeah, you're getting on the seat.
What are you crying for? Look at me. You so excited? Come on, get your stuff. Let's go. You going to get Willow? All right.